We are
Manabu Japanese Language School.
anytime,
Anywhere
all you want.
you can study.
Nihongo! Come and join us.
See you!
Okay.
Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to thank you for watching the FB Live of Manabu Online Orientation. I'm Angelica M. Aragon, the head teacher of Manabu Japanese Language School. So today's orientation, we're excited to introduce the digital learning system that we've developed for our 2 new online lesson courses. So a lot of people ask if it's really free. Don't worry, I'll explain the free online courses that you can access to learn for free later. First, let me introduce the Manabu Digital Learning System. The slogan for this new system is anytime, anywhere, all you want, you can study Japanese language. Like what our slogan says, we hope we can create a society that everyone can learn Japanese whenever and wherever they want in their lifestyle. We have invested time and effort for almost 6 months in developing these 2 services to make our slogan into reality. We are happy and honored to make this available to everyone. So the first innovation that we've released is the free access of our digital online textbook. All of our original textbooks and other teaching materials have been digitized and made available for free on our website. People around the world who are interested in learning Japanese can now study. This service is same as distributing a free textbook to people all over the world who want to study Nihongo. Here are some of the features of this digital online textbook. First is you don't have to carry your heavy textbook because this is accessible anytime, anywhere using your smartphones. Next is compared to a black and white textbook, it is more colorful, easier to understand, and easier to scroll and zoom in on. Third is you can listen to a Japanese instructor reading example sentences with just a single tap. This helps you understand the correct pronunciation and the Japanese intonation.
私は昨日勉強しました。
Fourth, with one click, you can watch the lecture videos for each lesson. Fifth, you can ask questions directly to the tutor from the comment box for each lesson. You can also view other people's questions and comments. So that are some of the features of the digital online textbook. So the content for the lesson 20 is now almost ready and available to everyone. We invite you to experience this wonderful online textbook. Just visit the www.manabutextbook.com. So that is the first innovation that we made, the online textbook. The next innovative service is our free online lesson video library. All lecture videos and grammar explanations are made into easy to understand videos. These videos are available on the Manabu JLS YouTube channel, where you can watch as many lesson videos as you want at any time. Our next innovative service is our free online lesson video library. All lectures and grammar explanation are made into easy to understand videos. These videos are available in our YouTube channel Manabu JLS, where you can watch as many lesson videos as you want at any time. Currently, there are 4 different playlists. First is the lecture videos from the online textbook. Second is the grammar explanation videos. Third is the flashcard style videos to memory the Japanese vocabulary. Fourth is the home drama style lesson videos for daily conversation. So the advantage of learning through lesson videos is that you can watch them at your preferred speed and watch them again and again until you understand them. These videos are available for free, so please try them out. Please search for Manabu JLS on YouTube. Please insert a space between the words Manabu and space JLS. By making these 2 innovative services for free, which are the online textbook and the lesson lecture videos, open to the public, we have made our online free self-study courses a reality. Our mission at Manabu is we will support Filipinos who want to study Japanese, live and work in Japan. By opening this 2 digital learning system to the public for free, we are confident that we can help many Filipinos to achieve their dreams. In fact, there was some debate within our company and from our business partners about giving such a great services to the public for free. But we made the decision and give it away for free because of my own experience. Since I was a little girl, I had a dream to study Japanese language, culture, and lifestyle. However, it wasn't easy to achieve that dream. I had some misfortune and financial difficulties. But I worked hard and didn't give up on my dream. After I graduated in college and while I was working, I had a miraculous opportunity and was able to study in Japan as an international student. I would like to say to everyone who also had the dream to study and live in Japan, don't ever give up on your dreams. If you will do your best, you can make your dreams come true. Now, finally, the Manabu online lesson course starts on September 1st. We'll explain the 2 courses in more details once again. First up is the online free course. This course is, of course, it's free. This is a self-study style course that utilizes an online textbook and the online lesson video library. No registration is required. However, if you want to ask questions to our teachers, you must register on our website. This course is designed for those who want to try learning Japanese, those who don't have a lot of time, who want and can study by themselves. It uses the same textbook as the paid course. So if you like self-study style, you can study quiet and seriously. This is very good for you. So the next course is the online lesson course, the Manabu Japanese Language and Culture N5 plus N4. This course is a basic plus beginner level Japanese language course with 90 sessions, 365 hours in total. The course is divided into 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening classes. And you can ask questions to the instructor as many times as you like from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. This course is designed for those who want to study in Japan, work in Japan in the future, like SSW and PSW, a professional skilled worker, marry a Japanese partner, and want to learn daily conversation and enhance their Japanese language skills. All students will have access to a new learning management system called Google Classroom. Each day, assignments and homeworks will be automatically sent to your account. You will be required to complete and submit them by the due date. Your instructor will check your assignments and homework efforts and answer any questions you may have. In addition, once a week, there is a 2 hours conversation and chatting practice with a Japanese teacher. You will also have a special review in a preparation to those who will take the GLPT Japanese Language Proficiency Test exam. For you to understand it more, I will explain to you the difference of our 2 new online lesson course. So, we have 2 online lesson course, the self-study course or the free course, and the online lesson course or the Japanese language and culture and fund and end form. And enrolling this course, you have to enroll in our website at www.manabu-jls.com. Click the enroll in the menu button. For our free course, from the name itself, you don't have to pay any amount of peso. But of course, you will not receive a certificate of training from TESDA. For our online lesson course, it costs 20,000 pesos. You will only pay 2,500 for the enrollment fee, and after 2 months of studying, you have to pay another 2,500. So the remaining amount, which is the 15,000 pesos, you have to pay on or before you will receive the training or the completion certificate or TESDA NC2. Next page. Both our online lesson course and free course can access our online textbook and our online lecture videos. But only who enrolled in our online lesson course and those who paid 2,500 can access to our Google Classroom, which is our LMS or Learning Management System. And only those who enrolled in our online lesson course can have the homework, reviews, and exercises to enhance their Japanese language skills. And also, they can ask questions to our coaches and instructors. They can also do conversation or kaiwa and chatting exercises with our Japanese instructors. So I hope it explains it all. On our next video, I will explain to you our educational methods and some of the best way to study Nihongo. Anytime, anywhere, all you want, you can study Nihongo in Manabu JLS. Try our system and make